Coming to barrel number 1 is Mitch Sutherland, the current champion out there. His sponsor is Engineering, Dawson, Calgary, and Houston, Texas. And that's number lining up here at heat number 4 at Year Jammers Electronic Heat. Place your bets. And a horn goes, and who gets the best jump out of there? Here we go, Mitch Sutherland having a dandy. Let's go, Tyler Helmig out there. Let's see if he can get over there. Now Mitch has to turn left, young man. Make sure he gets up there. And Tyler Helmig is right beside him. He's sitting fourth coming into the show. He had the 4th best time last night. But he's going to have to drive to see if he can outrun the Focus Corporation and Dreger as they're coming down past corner number 2 and just entering now the backstretch drive. Off to go. 3rd spot will belong to Mitch Sutherland. His sponsor is Pajak Engineering, our current champion out there, as we're going to go with Brian Lewis in the 4th hole, Northern Man Bridge. And now Tyler Helmig is going to try and move up a little bit, but let's see if he can do it. He's a wagon length behind the Focus Corporation and Dreger coming into corner number 3. Does he have the speed? I tell you, he's had it for several years. Let's see if he can hold on. Now he's going to side. He's going to move up now as he evens up. And he's coming down now. He's in 1st place ahead of Double D, Dreger, and the Focus Corporation. It's going to be a race now. Let's see if Mitch Sutherland-Pajak Engineering can catch up to these drivers as they come down the home stretch drive. Tyler Helmig is stepping it up. Look at him go. He's going to beat this one. He's going to cross the line first. 2nd spot will go to Dreger. And Focus in 3rd is Mitch Sutherland driving for Pajak Engineering. Coming into the 4th spot. And driving under the sponsorship of Northern Man Bridge. Anybody here from Dawson Creek? Here comes Brian Lewis. Brian Lewis. For the Focus Corporation, experience the value. Here comes Double D, Dreger. Red Gray JD Airfield hauling a 122 flat. That's 122.00. Here comes Helmig-Mona Vie. That's owned by Ernie and Kathy Patterson. There's your sponsors. There he is, Tyler Helmig. And for Pajak Engineering, here comes the Crown Prince of Chuck Wagon Racing, Mitch Sutherland. There he is, Mitch Sutherland.